Hi guys, my name is Jeff and today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to colorize, or otherwise known as selective coloring. Now I'm using Adobe Lightroom and I've imported a full color image, as you can see there. To colorize, you have to change everything to black and white and then rub off the areas you like to appear as color. So let's just go ahead and show you how this is done. On the right hand side here, go to HSL and then move all the sliders to the left, and you will see the image changing into black and white. So what's there? So that's black and white, and then you basically then go to the adjustment brush here and click on effects twice, and then increase the saturation to 100. Yeah. And then once you've done that, then obviously you can increase the size of your brush. You gently rub over the area you want to appear in color. You can increase a brush larger size. You can just click as well as rubbing. You can click. Obviously, by rubbing, you're going to get a better definition. So as you can see here, I'm just rubbing now. But to speed up things, you can enlarge a brush and literally click away. So the track here, the yellow parts, so I'm just clicking at the moment, but I can start rubbing this down as well. As you can see, the yellow colors appearing nice and bright. Wheels as well. Obviously you can zoom in and take a little extra time to ensure everything is perfect, but this is really what's involved. It's fairly simple task. Doesn't take too long, and it could obviously give you a sort of different dimension to your photos. Now, if the color has run somewhere else where you don't want that color to appear, just click on erase, and you can erase that off. Yeah. So like a bit of red tint on the boys here, so I've just got rid of that. So all I did was to click on erase here. Well, I hope that helps. As I said, it's a nice simple trick or a tip, and it could make your photos and images a little bit different. It's neither color, neither black and white, but it's a bit of both. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy using this tip, and any questions, please feel free to drop me a note. Thanks for watching.